What's up, Abe? And hello, saudara-saudara ko di Indonesia. Check this out, Abe. I installed a YOSHIMURA from US. Research and development. It's a pipe. I installed in our Dominar. So let's have a sound check. But before that, Abe, I got a big problem. Because I removed the silencer, the screw is inside. I don't know how to take it. I need to take that screw because we need that for the silencer. Ah, my golly. So let's see first. I haven't tried really. This is the first time I will try this pipe. How loud is it? Without silencer, guys. Without silencer. Okay. My boss told me to put some face mask. We just go around and check. Sound check, sound check. I think my neighbor will get angry with me. I'm so sorry. Only today, sumtok. Let's just fill up some gasoline and then we will come back. I think everyone will kill me, guys, if I on this. I'm a dead meat. What are you doing, Mark? YOSHIMURA from US. A pipe. Exhaust pipe. Oh my god, it's too loud. Well, I guess it's too loud, guys, right? Can you hear? That's the sounds. Dead meat. Okay, let's try. Well, I guess it's not that loud. Is it that loud? Well, I guess it's not that loud. I thought it's louder than the big bikes, but it's not. I just make a big tone. Only like that. Well, I guess, guys, that is not bad pipe at all. It's not too loud. It's just normal. I thought it's loud. Our bikes are this Sangyong. Oh, these are the Sangyong GT 250. Oh, I see. This is the mechanic. Let's go ask. Oh, 1,500 GT 250. 1,500. Can speak English? Oh. This is the bike that I want to buy before. GT. But Sangyong. There are cool bike also, but people, they don't like this bike, Sangyong. Korea.
Yeah.
Korea.
Yeah.
P. Oh, 500cc. Uy, P. 250. Petite.
Engine too small.
Oh.
Small.
600 minute from Mui cc. Oh, hi.
Sell.
Oh. Okay.
Yeah. So when from 400cc 650cc លក់អស់
Oh,
customer check
all take.
yeah
So they don't have bigger CC.
នៅ small តិចតួចនៅ engine small
Hmm. Okay. Akun bang.
yes
But bang. Oh, no more coming. Six.
COVID
Oh, COVID. Okay. Akun bang.
I'll check out
Okay. Akun. So this is a bike that I want to buy also. Sangyong. The 600 GT. So they have a mechanic in here. It's just very near to my place, so it's fine. They are from Khmer Motors. I'm happy on my pipe. Well, it's not that loud. Okay guys, when we talk about pipes, as you can see, I have some silencer. So when I am in the city like this one is just a sound check guys, to show to you. So when we are in a city, we will put the silencer. I just put this pipe, it's just an extra, or it's just a bonus, so that when I go to highways, they can hear me. As you can see on my previous video, usually I almost die on highways or on expressway, because some of the drivers, they don't even care. But if we have some pipe like this, they will consider us on the roads. Well, I thought it's too loud, but it's not that loud, same as the other pipes that I can hear. So it's cool, I think tolerable. Just don't press too much. We must be responsible, Abe, on this pipe. I always, don't worry, I will used to it, Abe. I'm so sorry. Having a big pipe like this, even though it's not that loud, we must be responsible, Abe. Okay? This one is just a bonus for, I don't want to go on that way, sorry. So maybe let's go back home. That is my message, guys. Be responsible on having a pipe, especially on the city driving. Okay, Abe, see you when I see you, Abe. Babush. I always say, guys, don't worry, in this few more video, I will used to it to call you Abe. Alright, Abe, thank you so much.